Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Fire TV Cube with Alexa, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your Fire TV Cube. Inside, you will find the Fire TV Cube, a power adapter, and an HDMI cable. Connect the Fire TV Cube to your TV using the HDMI cable provided. Insert one end of the HDMI cable into the HDMI port on the Fire TV Cube. Connect the other end to an available HDMI port on your TV. Next, plug the power adapter into the Fire TV Cube. Then, connect the other end to a power outlet. Turn on your TV and select the HDMI input where the Fire TV Cube is connected. You should see the Fire TV logo appear on your screen. Follow the on-screen prompts to begin the setup process. Choose your language preference from the list available. Next, connect your Fire TV Cube to your Wi-Fi network. Select your Wi-Fi network from the available list. Enter your Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard. Check the connection by selecting Connect. Once connected, your Fire TV Cube will automatically update its software if needed. After the update, the setup process will continue. Next, sign in to your Amazon account. If you don't have an account, follow the prompts to create one. Once signed in, the Fire TV Cube will optimize your setup based on your preferences. You can choose to enable Alexa settings for voice control. If you allow Alexa, follow the instructions to pair your remote. Press and hold the microphone button on your remote to talk to Alexa. You can test Alexa by asking her to open an app or find a show. Once everything is set up, explore the main menu and available apps. Customize your home screen with your favorite apps and channels. Finally, enjoy streaming your favorite content with the Fire TV Cube and Alexa. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.